What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace this. This is your hose valve. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these household and automotive projects. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so what I'm talking about is your hose valve. Maybe when you turn it on, it might leak like this one is from the stem. Or maybe when you turn it off, it just keeps running out the end of the hose, dripping. Or maybe even the handle's busted off. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is shut off our main water supply line. Okay, now we can open it up and relieve the rest of the pressure out of the hose. Disconnect the hose. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to put our adjustable pipe wrench oriented like this on this back pipe, and this is going to hold this back pipe so that when we loosen up the fitting, the hose bib, it's not going to turn that pipe. Then we're going to take our adjustable wrench, put that on while we're holding the pipe. We will loosen this up, and we can unscrew it all the way. There we go. And we'll go ahead and clean off the end of that pipe. I recommend you just go ahead and take your old valve to the hardware store so you get the right size. Now we're going to take a little pipe tape. We're going to wrap it around the threads about 1.5 to 2 times. Then I also like to use this pipe thread sealant. I'll go ahead and put some links in the description for this stuff. This will really help prevent leaks if there was to ever have one. So you just go ahead and rub it on the threads over the pipe tape. Then we're going to take that same pipe wrench, but we're going to flip it around this way, so that when we tighten it, it'll hold the pipe. Then we'll put our new hose bib fitting on. We'll screw it on. Then we're going to tighten this down a couple turns. Make sure it's even. Alright, I just turned the water main on. Now you're going to check for leaks around that fitting on the pipe. Doesn't look like there's any. We'll hook up our hose. Now we can turn on the valve, make sure the hose works and it's not leaking. Looks like it is all good. No leaks around here at all. Alright, and that is how to change your hose bib, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. I do a lot of these household projects. Alright guys, thanks for watching Jonny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.